morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel, or my channel, our video, another vlog. We're gonna go to John's Incredible Pizza because Annalie got a little teacher of the month, but I'm pretty sure like all of the kids probably got it. Oh yeah, and we brought our suegros, or my suegros. They're actually coming along with us. We invited them and they said yes, so they're in the back somewhere over there. Anyways, we will see you guys when we get there. She's totally scared of the... I don't know why she's scared. What'd you win? You won all of them? I didn't win? Yeah, look. Yeah. Yeah, good job, baby. You did really good. She won a lot of tickets. Mira, mira cuántos llevas. She won 200. 200? I won 200. Yeah, she did. Oh, she hit it and it went. What do you guys think, kids? Oigan, hey, ¿qué pensaron de John's Incredible Pizza? ¿Les gustaron?
Well, we were scared. Yeah.
What thing? Ay, mami, tú eres bien miedosa. So we're gonna go to my mom's house, you guys. We're gonna go have a little barbecue over. So we're gonna go see what's up over there. Ahorita está dormido Ismael. Y Ana lista con sus colores. And I guess we're having... Ay, wait. And I am pulling el... Now they're setting up for the música. Está mi tío and my dad. And my tía getting duraznos from the trees. My grandma has been here for about like 3 weeks already, and my dad decided to throw her like a little despedida party because she's leaving on Tuesday, and honestly we don't know when we're gonna see her ever again. Like, she's already, you know, older. She's, how old is she? She's from 1931, so like 88 years old. So, you know, so we don't know when we'll have that chance again. So we just want to make sure that, you know, she has a good time and she just, you know, she just has a good time. So yeah, my dad's looking at me like, why are you talking to a camera?
El día que usted nació, nacieron todas las flores. Con casi flores, este día voy a adornar. Un aplauso, todo bonito, felicidades.
Momento de caer en la que se eche la de la Lightning.
You an napkin, yeah?
El que en la mesa prendió.
Is it on?
Ya los primeros balazos fue el primero que corrió. Y Ciro Pérez decía, nos pegaron a la mala. Y habían hablado derecho, otro gallo les cantará. Mariano Pérez decía, muy macizo en su razón. Yo también muero en la raya, no soy cría de corredores.
One. Hey, I was gonna do the mini. Oh, I'm gonna use these.
Okay guys, so I don't know how we're gonna do this, but I really want to
get the pink
I
one.
really wanted the
Put it right there. Brianna, that's not correct.
or like what? Okay guys.
Hi, Uncle.
Hey, beautiful.
Or answer.
You're gonna drop it, Brianna. Can you stop doing that?
Okay, I'm saying it. Your answer after she says that.
No, I don't.
Yeah, every day that I see
Brianna,
you.
can you be more nicer? Nobody's looking at me.
Scoot more over.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're
Wait, we're matching. You're
Yeah,
matching.
look, we're matching.
Woohoo!
Wait, look, we're matching.
We're matching flowers and yellows.
And is this white?
Hey, Brianna, I know you're cheating. You're cheating!
This is white. Or she will have this pink.
Brianna, can you be more nice? So, we're gonna...
Okay, guys, so
Brianna, tell my talk because I didn't talk.
okay.
Like, what's today? Today is Friday Juniors. Today is Thursday. So the last time you guys saw this vlog, I don't have an outro, so this is my outro now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.